wondering which is the best choice when there are so many options. From labels saying SPF or water resistant and then spray on sunscreens versus the typical lotion, how do you know you're picking the right sunscreen to give you and your family the best protection? Last night we introduced you to Dr. Young, a local dermatologist, who explained why it's so important to protect your skin year-round and to start earlier rather than later. Tonight, in the second part of my Sunscreen 101 series, Dr. Young tells us what every customer should look for on the label, looking past the bright colors and fun pictures to give you and your family the best protection when out having fun in the sun. Walking through the sunscreen aisle can be overwhelming with all the options, but some are better than others and can offer better protection. But how can you decipher from the hundreds of different labels? Let's start with SPF, or sun protective factor.
Anything 30 and above will be a good one. Above SPF 30, you're really not getting a ton more protection.
Dr. Vasilia Young says once the SPF number goes above 30, it doesn't increase protection, but it's more about how many layers you apply.
We now feel that that particular protection factor is only valid if you use a certain amount of sunblock. So just putting on a teeny tiny bit of it and calling yourself safe is not okay. We find that we have to utilize sunblock in a much more liberal manner. So I tell my patients to utilize 2 or 3 layers.
Besides the SPF number and making sure to always reapply, you should also look at the ingredients, making sure you find a product with broad spectrum protection and made with titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. These, Dr. Young says, are more natural sunblocks.
They actually have both a UVA and a UVB block. Those are the harmful rays. And so these are the best agents.
Besides making sure what's on the label, Dr. Young says water resistance is key. But what about sunscreen sprays? It's an easy option for parents with kids on the go.
The sprays are not meant to just spray. When you spray them, you should actually use your hands to make sure that there's an even distribution.
And one question you may not know the answer to. The sunscreen you bought last summer that's sitting in your beach bag, is it expired?
Yes. Yes, do not use it again. I would say you should replace your sunscreen every year. The activity of the chemicals declines dramatically, so every summer you should get a new bottle.
So overall, choosing a sunblock is a personal choice. Dr. Young suggests to find a product you like and stick with it. But what should be on your checklist, make sure the SPF is 30 or higher, it's water resistant, and does it offer broad spectrum protection? And we've posted all the information along with both the interviews with Dr. Young on our website, newscenter1.tv, along with a link to the American Academy of Dermatology, where you can find some quick facts on how and why to protect your skin.